A mess, but make it Christmas. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my bathroom. So you guys know what that means. It's hair time. I'm excited to change this up. It is Christmas next week, so I figured I would do something Christmassy and fun. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. And I know what you're thinking. Wait. Your hair, it's long. What's going on here? Yeah, I'm growing it out, so that doesn't mean that I can't color it. I'm going to be doing fun things with my hair still, even though I'm growing it out. It's getting cold. I need some hair on my head. Before I get into the video, I really want to show you this wicked awesome shirt that I have on. It's like, makes me laugh. It says, "We're gonna party like it's my birthday," and it's got Jesus on it. 'Cause what up? He's ready to party. What I plan on doing with my hair today is I'm going to be doing like different sections of red and green and doing like, it's just going to be basically a giant red and green mess, but Christmassy. So mess, but make it Christmas. Yeah, that's basically how my life has been since December started. A mess, but make it Christmas. So for supplies, a handheld mirror comes in handy. Other important things you'll need: a comb. I'm using a rat tail comb so that I can easily section off parts. The rat tail is not necessary, but it's handy. Also, a color brush also has a rat tail on it, so color brush and comb. I've got 2 color bowls to separate my color in, and the most important supplies are my color. I'm using only arcticfox this time. I love arcticfox colors. If you haven't seen my videos, I just use a lot of arcticfox and like whatever color I happen to have on hand. This one, I'm purely using Phantom Green and Poison. I'm starting off with my hair lightened just because that's easier for me and easier for you guys, less things that you have to sit through. I'll put what I use to lighten my hair down in the description. You can also see it in some of my past videos. But can we just talk about how I look like my power level is like over 9,000? Because my hair is just whoosh, I'm just like, ugh. It's fucking awesome. My favorite thing that I look like is, hold up, I gotta do a quick change for this. Oh my god, I look like the biggest dude bro ever from like 2000s. What's up, dude? I'm ready to go blade my dudes, and you don't know whether I'm talking about Beyblades or like rollerblading. I love this. Don't you like my look?
Yeah, it's very like, I don't know what to say about it. It's cool looking though.
You wanna go like trade Pokemon cards?
Oh god.
And go to the skate park?
God.
Come on, it'll be so much fun! So my plan for this hair is actually to take sections and nothing really like specific in size or shape or anything like that. Let's just say that that's gonna be a section right there. And then I'm gonna slap some color on that. I'm gonna dip my color brush in some red. And I love how my little section is completely gone now. To help with this, since my hair is so short, I'm going to go around the outside edges of the section first. That way I can control what direction the hair is going in. When you put the color in the hair, it makes it have more control. That's why hairdressers will wet your hair when they cut it, and so that they have more control of the direction that it goes in. Now I'm just going to go through and fully saturate that hair. This is also when the comb comes in handy, because sometimes it's really hard to run your bristles of your color brush through, and the comb is really handy to just get all that color going through it. Put that comb down, dip in my brush in my color bowl, and getting those section edges so I can have good control over the hair. Green section, good. Just gonna run my comb through that to make sure it's all fully saturated. That's basically all the advice I give you if you're gonna be doing this as well. Something like this, even with different colors, would be cool. Basically kind of like the weird tape thing that I did, but with longer hair and with no tape and really no direction and no motivation to do anything precise right now. Just snatch up some sections, throw some color on it, and have fun, guys. Let's get to time-lapsing this crap so I can put on some music. Alright, so I've got all the color in my hair now. Just gonna give you a little peek. The back was really difficult to do, and honestly, this is probably one of the most difficult styles that I've done, and I've done rainbow with cheetah print, or leopard print, or what the heck ever print that was. This was a pain in the butt. Doing the back of my head was incredibly difficult, so yeah. I'm gonna be real happy to wash this one out and just be like, look at me, I'm cute. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, guys. All right, well, I'm gonna let this sit and then I'm gonna wash it out and I'll let you see the final product. This is the final product and I'm so happy that I took my time and freaking busted my neck and my wrists freaking trying to get the back of my head doing all this weird stuff because it looks so cool with all the random pieces everywhere. I wasn't sure what I was doing like 100% of the time. I was like, what am I gonna do next? But honestly, like, it's so cool that it's randomized. Like, this big patch of green here, but then red, a little bit of red, green, you know, big patch of red. Then here's the back for you, and I don't know what to say. I'm just in love. I'm happy. This looks so cute. I'm excited. Christmas is coming. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, you should leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I post more frequently now. I'm really trying to get back on that frequency train. Please go check out my Depop. I sell cute clothes, shoes, accessories, tons of stuff on there, tons of sizes. Get you something cute. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Oh my god, I just realized it's a Christmas tree. I did not do that on purpose at all. I was just like about to take like a photo of my hair and I was like,